Hi everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here, and with another unboxing, this time with the Stickii Club Pop Pack for January of 2023. I can't wait to see what we get because this one is always a complete surprise. The Cute Pack is usually always themed around whatever holiday is that month, but this one's always a complete surprise. Just a reminder, I'm visually impaired, so I use the zoom on my camera and my reader glasses to be able to see fine details because I can't see them otherwise. Well, you're going to be stubborn today, aren't you? It's all right. I got it. Let's make sure I didn't rip it this time, right? Okay. You get a sneak peek while I check the envelope. Okay. Upside down. There we go. Here's our theme sticker for you guys to look at before I do. Okay, what do we got here? It says hybrid. What does that mean? Here's the bottom of the sticker. If I've never shown it before, you can pause and read it, but that's exactly what you can use it for. Hybrid, like hybrid flowers. Let me zoom a little bit more. Oh, that's a person with butterfly wings instead of ears. T butterfly. This is very interesting. Are we gonna see a bunch of butterflies in the theme here? I don't know. Sometimes I like guessing. Other times I'm like, you know what? Let's get into it. Looks like we got ourselves a clear stamp here in our... Oh, wait, no. Not a clear stamp. What was I saying? Looks like we got some vinyl stickers. One's in a little pouch, though. Let's look at this one first. Oop. I'm sorry. All right. Looks like we have... What do we have? Am I upside down? No, I was right side up. It looks like we have a person without a head and a strawberry for a head who's reading a book. That kind of squeaks me out a little bit. I don't know why. Uncanny Valley thing. And here's the artist mark on the back. I mean, it's done very well. I do like it, but the whole not having a face thing, maybe the strawberry has a face? No, it doesn't. I don't know. Okay, the little packet actually has multiple stickers in it. And off the bat, I see flowers, but since this is hybrid, is there something in the flowers? That looks like a clock, right? Kind of Alice in Wonderland-y. Oh, they each have clocks in them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 stickers. I'm going to assume they're stickers. And they're see-through. That's beautiful. No artist mark, obviously, but I'm wondering if the one from the first sticker made these. That's unusual that we got 2 different sets of stickers in that pouch. But I'm glad we did. I like that. I really like that. Our last pouch down here is usually a notepad, but it's not. It's a sticker book. And how you can tell is because the pages are slick and shiny. You could write on, I guess. It's the figure from the theme sticker. And there, I believe, is the artist mark. I think this is now my 3rd little sticker book. I love this. Where you could put your favorite stickers in here, ones that you don't want to like commit to anything, but you still want to keep them and look at them instead of just putting them in a box. These are wonderful. I love this. I have so many notebooks already, but if you're just starting out, usually there's a notebook in there. Okay. Now on to the best part, which is the actual stickers. I'll be right back. Okay, unless I miscounted, we've got 7 sheets. We're going to do the clear ones last. Most of them are solid backgrounds. 2 of them are not. All right, here's our first sticker sheet. You know the drill. Now it's my turn. Oh, more people without faces. Well, some, I guess. It's kind of weird and a little strange, but at the same time, I really love the look they're going for here. Like little foresty flower people. Oh, I like that one. And here's the artist. Pretty cool. Pretty. These are so strange, but at the same time, I'm loving this. I love how this pack, you can never tell what you're going to get. You really can't. Okay. I don't know. Oh! Okay. I really like that. Are these like dragons with butterfly wings? Oh, I love monarch butterflies. These are so sweet. I love this. I absolutely love this. Thank you. Thank you so much. These are beautiful. You know what? I think we can go follow them on Instagram. Oh my goodness. I love that. Those are beautiful. Okay, what do we got here? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. That looks like one of those things that like you pull the 2 pieces of the seed apart and you stick it on your nose. They flibble down to the earth. It's a cute teapot. I like that. Oh, wow. So, these are gorgeous. The colors. That's beautiful. I love that. It's like dragonfly wings. Oh, there she is again. We get to see her a lot. And here's the artist mark again, if you did not see it on the back of the book when I showed it. I'm really happy about what I'm getting so far. I'm probably going to love them all because, you know, that's me. Here we got 6 stickers, very large. Okay. Are these mermaids? Ooh. I wish I was this creative, you know, to be able to put together these designs. I really like that one. But like also to be able to draw them in a way where like it's just so beautiful. I love that one. Artist mark here. Probably gonna follow them too. That'd be great, right? Following everybody, all the artists. But to be able to draw this, just absolutely wonderful. I can't draw anything. Not creative. That is adorable. I personally am not creative. I wish I was. Oh, look at it. I love turtles too. Are these like... Are some of these dogs in costumes though? Like... They are. These are fantastic. I love these. These are great. They're adorable. They remind me of like the artwork from Labyrinth. Okay, so now let's see here. Since this is papery and not shiny, I'm going to use the back of this to be able to show the last 2 sticker sets, which this one looks like it is a bunch of little mini stickers, which you know I completely love. It's strawberries. They're strawberries. They're chocolate covered strawberries. These are great little mini stickers. Oh my goodness. And they repeat. So what you could do is you can cut them in half, or you can cut them however which ways they actually repeat, and you can share them, which is the best. Or completely cover everything that you love with them, because that's what I do too. Our last sheet, which is also clear. What do we got here? That looks like a burrito. Do these have seatings? Couch. Oh, it's it's a couch. Octopus. Oh, they're puns. Cute little puns. I might catch a sneeze. I'm sorry. Wait. I'm sorry I'm lingering on that one, but it looks like that bat has a marshmallow underneath them. It's a battery. These are giving me life. Don't forget, if you really want to read one while I'm going through here, pause. Sue Sheep. Oh my goodness. It's an avocado. Cod. Avocado. Oh my goodness. I'm making this like longer than it should be because I'm stopping to figure out what these are. I think I'm already following them. I remember their... That was a great end to the hybrid because they're hybrids. That was a very great end. So what do we think about this set? This was wonderful. I really enjoyed this set, and I can't wait to see what the rest of the year is going to show us because, you know, another year of Stickii means another year of fun. All right. Also, I got a binder for not just this pack, but my other pack, but I'm showing you this one. Very pretty blue with glitter inside of it. Do you see that? Hold on, let me give it a zoom so you can see. Doesn't look like glitter, does it? Oh, there we go. But I'll have the link for this down in the description below. That was very slow, I'm sorry. So that you can also get one if you'd like to, or you could see other kinds. I know you're supposed to use little tabby things, but I was excited and I wanted to just pull them apart because, yeah, you're supposed to push on those. And now I'm all set for the year, for the pop pack. All right, then. I will see you all in my next video. And thank you for watching. And bye-bye.